This video shows how to present a PowerPoint during the MS Teams presentations. There are multiple ways. We are discussing one of the simplest way. For that, once you join the meeting, if you are the presenter, you can click on the share option. Instead of sharing the screen or the window, please scroll down. You can find different PowerPoints over here. Actually, these PowerPoints are the PowerPoints which you already uploaded in the OneDrive. If your PowerPoint is already in the OneDrive, you can select from these options, or you can click on show more. All the PowerPoints you share in OneDrive will be listed over here. But I need to select the PowerPoint which is from my desktop computer. For that, you can move down. You can find the option called Browse in my computer. Click over that option. Then the new window is opened. From the window, you can browse towards the folder in which the PowerPoint is saved and select the PowerPoint. Once the PowerPoint is opened, now your PowerPoint is in the presentation view. The advantage of this view is only the PowerPoint will be displayed in the area. You can find all the members of the current meeting over the right side panel. Right side you can find either the chat option. If I click the chat option, the chats will be displayed on the right side, or if I click the people option, all the peoples who are present in the meeting will be displayed on the right side, and you can easily find who are raising the hand, who are reacting towards the comment, and all. So your PowerPoint will be displayed over this particular area, and for the viewers, they can see entirely your PowerPoint. So when you click over here, there will be different options over here. For changing the view, you can click on this particular menu option. Click over this menu. You can find an option called Show the Presenter View. Sometimes when we add the PowerPoint, it will be in the Show Presenter View. If it is in the Show Presenter View, it will be showing like this. The PowerPoint will be presented here. We can see the next slides. If we are already know about the next slide content and all, we can use this presenter view. Or else, if you want to explain each and every slide, again you can click over this change view option. Click on the change view and you can click on hide presenter view option. So when you click on hide presenter view, the entire screen will be presented with the help of the full PowerPoint presentation view. And for changing the slide, either you can click on this right arrow, left arrows, or you can use the keys in your keyboard and you can change the slides. You can select this option called the laser pointer. When you click this laser pointer view, we can use this virtual laser which will highlighting the main points which we are going to discuss. Or you can use a highlighter which will highlight, or you can underline the main points in the slide. And over the right side you can also find an eraser tool which will help to erase the pen or the highlighter markings which we marked in our presentation. And during the presentation, please remember that this changing slide or the navigation will be available to each and every person in the meeting. By default, that will be the setting. For changing that setting, what you have to do is, over the top menu, you can see an option called private view. Click on the private view and disable the participants so that they cannot move these slides. Otherwise, when we are presenting, participants can also change the slide. So if you need them to change the slide, you can click one more time. Now the presenter as well as the participant can move from slide to slide. Once the presentation is over, if you want to stop the sharing, you can move over the top. You can find stop sharing button over here. Now I'm going to click stop sharing. It will ask a pop-up menu for stop sharing or stop presenting. Now this is the easiest way for conducting a presentation using PowerPoint in the MS Teams.